Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a paper shotgun close to this. Like this could be like a paper machine, paper flamethrower, like, but you know, wait. Alright, so this is how it shoots, but I'm gonna show you, right? Oh, wait. Oh, that's why I don't even have a bullet in there. Anyways, you just blow it. You just blow on it and, alright, put a bullet in. If you saw it come out, it just came out. Alright. So I'm going to show you how to make a shotgun, or, yeah, a shotgun with a bayonet, like, knife, and I'm going to show you how to shoot it and everything. So what you're going to want to need is tape, scissors, and obviously paper. So take one piece of paper, maybe I should like put it right on top of here so you can at least see it. Yeah, I'll put it on top. Alright, so let's put the paper over there. Alright, so what you're going to want to do with the first piece of paper is take it and from this side, face it down like that. Face face it down like that, not like that, not up, just down like that. And just first you're gonna make like a medium tube thin, like this. Like that big probably, and tape it on, tape one in the middle, tape one in the middle like it is right there, and tape one at the end, and tape one at the other end. The reason why is because those are the most important places. Sorry, that's the phone. Anyways, so when you're done with that, put that aside. And now for you to make a handle or grip. So what you're gonna want to do is make it like sort of medium-ish. So push this down and keep on pushing it down, pushing it down, pushing it down. Make it like small, medium-ish. Like, you have to make it really tight so you don't want it breaking. Like this. I just messed up. It just came undone. Yeah, you just roll it up and make sure it's really tight, cause like that. Alright, push that in. Alright, so now the same thing with the tape. And the handle shouldn't be this big, like it shouldn't be that big like it is right here, so that's why the scissors come in handy. If you want, you can make a grip like I did with the other gun I had. Probably not gonna, so that will make longer. So that. Now take it and tape it like on like that. Just tape it on like that, but cut it a little. So like as big as you want it. I'm gonna cut it like there. And I'm gonna use this as my handle. Or I could use this. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one as my handle. So you can save that for later if you want. And this is what you're gonna wanna do. Just tape it and show you how to tape it. So you take a block of tape, sorry, and put it right here. Like put half of the tape on it like that. Put it on like that. Like flip and attach it and tape it on and make sure it goes around and back over to it. And if it doesn't, just add another piece over, and I'd do some more of that just for just a couple more. And you could also like do that. Yeah. This one, you're gonna want to tape the other side of it also, like it should be like that at the end, maybe, probably, I don't know. So it would be like, alright, so now when you're done with that side, and take the other half that you cut for the handle and make it really small, like about here. No, it has to be like about here. Yeah, I know, like, oh wait, no, about here, sorry, here. And now when you do that, open it up. Just open it up. And oh wait, no, don't open it up. Just do this. Pull it, push it all out, cut all of that off, and push it out again. And cut everything off these sides. Just cut everything off besides, you know what? Let's do this. Etc. etc. I'm gonna take it off of of my other bayonet guns I made. Need to take it off. There we go. There. So when you're done, it should look like this. Like, cut it in a small piece, but it has to be opened like that. Has to be open like that. Alright, so now take this and just tape it onto this. How you're gonna do that is sort of the same way. Just put a little tape on it like that. And yeah, it's the same way, but it's gonna be smaller. Oh wait. So, bottom of the gun. There we go. Alright. And now on the other side, do the same thing. And try to bring it all the way back and tape it again around like that. Alright, so when you're done, it should look like that. Well, not done, but when you're done with that, it should look like that. Grip and everything. Alright, so now, what you're gonna want to do is put that aside. Wait, yeah, just put that aside. Take another roll of paper and make it like so what you're gonna try to do with this paper is like sort of make a bullet type thing like this, like that. That's what you're gonna want to do. So how you do that is you take it sideways, like and like be facing like a diamond type shape thing. Diamond, put it sideways so it would be shaped like a diamond, and start curve it. Just keep on curving it, and at this end tight, and then it's like put it really big. There we go. Like this is too big right here. So I'm just gonna tape it. And you're gonna wanna do is tape it. So it doesn't fall off. You can just tape it on the side that on the piece of, you can just tape it with one, doesn't matter. And this is what you're gonna wanna do. You can cut all of it off. Like you can cut half of it off what you want. So you can fit my finger. But so anyways, so now I sort of want my bayonet like this. So now just keep it right here and take another small piece of paper, I guess. Rip it off. Something, doesn't matter. And put it around it like that. And make it like pointy and tight and twist it. So it would be like pointy, tight, and alright, for this you just twist it, the end of it, so it would make it like a little sharp, I guess. That you could do that. Doesn't look too great. It looks like it just got hit by a bus, but oh, I'm out of tape. Anyways, so now take the tape and tape it around. I hope this would be the last piece I'm gonna be taping for this video. And just tape it so it won't fall apart at the top, like it won't come undone. And after you do that, take the shotgun thing and slide it in there if you can, or maybe it's too big. So if it's too big, just cut it again and try to fit it again and again. Just try like shoving it in it. I'm trying to shove it in the hole right here. I'll cut it a little bit more. Alright, so I hope this fits, because that's as far as I'm cutting it. But just stick it, I'll try sticking it in from the other side. There we go. And there it, I should just make it bigger. Like I should attach another piece to make it bigger. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna like put it over it, because I don't have any more tape. So, I just ran out, which is really